Okay, folks, let's try and close on substitution and formula there on Form 2 mathematics. Right, here are 10 problems that we want to quickly go through together. Write a formula used to find perimeter of a square. Well, if we want perimeter of a square, it's going to be, just look at the side, both sides are the same. So it's going to be P equal to 4 multiplied by side, because it's distance right around the shape. So it will be side plus side plus side plus side plus side. Next, we want to substitute into y equal to 2x plus 9. So here we're going to say y equal to 2 multiplied by x takes 4, then plus 9. Then y will be equal to 2 times 4, that's 8 plus 9, gives us 17. Then still moving on, we want to substitute y equal to 8x minus. This time around, let's check our x. Our x is negative there. So it's multiplied by, we can encompass it with brackets, then end up having y equal to negative x negative 6. And it looks like here we are summing same sign, so our result is negative, but it will be negative 14. Then next, using a equal to L times w, which is area of a rectangle, find a when. So we're interested in a when our L is 15 and our w is 6. So we know when we multiply that, the result is 90. Then still moving, using v equal to d over t. Find v when d is 150 and t is 5. And when we do so, it gives us 30, and this is meter per second. Units will be important there. Find the profit if selling price is 750 and cost price is 580. So the profit denoted by P will be equal to selling price minus cost price, which will be 750 minus 580. And when we do so, our P will be equal to 0 minus 0, there it gives us 0. Then when we say 15 minus 8, gives us 7. And there we have 1. So the profit is going to be 170 for that problem. Now, using A equal to pi r squared, we are calculating area of a circle. Find A when our radius is 3.5 and pi is 22 over 7. So we are multiplying this by 3.5 by, again, 3.5, because we are squaring. And when this happens, we'll need a bit of long multiplication there. Let's see if we can quickly draw a calculator and come up with a solution to that particular problem, because it has a lot of decimal places which might take us time during computations. So I'm bringing the calculator here, and let's see what we have. Is a fraction there having 22 and 7. Then when we escape there, multiplied by 3.5, when I square it there, let's check what we get. Looks like it takes us to 38.5, 38.5. So our result there will be 38.5, and this is square centimeters for this area. Then we want to substitute into t. Well, p is known, is positive 5, so we simply multiply, then subtract 2. So our t is actually 20 minus 2, therefore t will be actually 18. Still moving, substitute into k. K there, 3 multiplied by x squared, that's 2 squared. And when we simplify, 2 squared, that's 4 times 3, that's 12. So k will be 12. Then the last problem is an open question which doesn't involve calculations. Give one reason why substitution is important in real life calculations. This is important for formula reusability. In other words, a formula can be used to solve different problems provided variables are given. So even if variable changes, as long as they are provided, the formula will assist us. I think that's it on the second part of substitution and formula for Form 2 mathematics. Thank you.